very good morning to all of you. And guess what? I just took bath and it is the early morning and I have my very first interview today. Exactly guys, I have two interviews today. What it is a very special day for me. Today I have my very first interview and I'm really excited for that. So I'll just go and give a quick walk to my dog and then I'll take you guys along with me. Obviously not inside the room where the interview will be taken, but yeah, I'll tell you guys. So stay with me.
Continue straight.
Guys, I'm back. I went there and I don't know, it went fine. And in 2-3 days, they will tell me whether they want to call me or not. It was fine, it was good. I had a little presentation to give. So let's see, guys, what happens. Now, kuch khane jaungi. Now I have another interview in Kirti Nagar. So bye bye, guys. Wish me luck. मेरी मॉम भी मेरे साथ आई है. हाय कर दो. हाय. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and I just came back. So as I said, I had my very first interview today. So I went there in the morning and I did not reach by 11 actually. I reached there by 12 o'clock. So they were very warm and welcoming and they were nice. They made me feel like a family, not ask me questions. And so let me tell you what I was asked. And before going to the interview, 2 days before, they gave me a little presentation to make. The presentation was about what is your understanding about pharmaceutical industry and how do you see your future with a startup company versus an established company. So I made a small presentation of like 4-5 slides and I prepared it where like I tried my best, guys. I literally tried my best. Even in the metro, it was a 2-hour journey, actually more than 2 hours. And I was like reading it again, preparing. I was trying to learn some lines that can like impress them or something. Yeah, so mom sat there, I sat there, and they were like, we are really happy with your resume. So then they talked about me, they asked about me, my mom, and what I have done, what kind of internships I've done, because I have done 2 internships during my graduation period. And the guy who was asking me, he's into marketing and so what kind of company I'm applying for. Guys, it was a pharmaceutical company and it's called Nucleosome Care Pharma. So it is a startup company and they just asked me why do I want to go for a startup company rather than an established company, because they won't be able to pay that much money to me that I deserve. I don't know whether they will take me or not. They just told me to wait for 2-3 days. So I don't know whether it's a no or a yes. In the end, he asked me, in 6 months you have a lot of experience and maybe you'll leave our company. So I tried answering my best, like trying to convince them I won't deceive them and I won't be disloyal towards them. Maybe I was not able to convince them, but I learned a lot. I had the knowledge about the things, but maybe my attitude was not right. I don't know what went wrong or what went right. I do not know anything. I'm just confused whether it's a yes or a no, and I'm hoping for the best, guys. I just hope, because it is a very conscious decision going for a startup company, guys, because in startups I can learn a lot. I can learn from the bottom and they'll make so many mistakes, and I'll get to learn from that. Plus I'm working with future entrepreneurs, so if the company grows, my growth will also happen. I'll make a video, guys, about what my course is, what I have done, and I'll tell you guys, if you guys are doing the same and looking for a job, what companies to apply for, so that you guys can be helped. Because I know because in my college they did not tell us about anything but about the job and about pharmaceutical companies and all, and I was completely blank and I do not have any connections, guys. And this was my very first interview, and the other one went fine, but that was a different one, and the one I had in the evening and I'm more into the first one, the pharmaceutical company. So this guy has a 20 years experience in pharmaceutical marketing, and he's worked in countries like Bali, Indonesia, and if his company works now, if it grows, he has a plan to expand it in these countries, because like if the cost of drug in India is 100 rupees of a particular drug, the cost of same thing in America 7 times more. So right now they don't have their own lab, so they have a most of the companies do this only. So in starting you don't have everything, lab and everything, all those equipment. So they told me that they are doing this through a third party. So it's like that. I know if I want to start a company in future, guys, I can learn from here, no? Maybe I want to start my own company, not like now, but few years from now when I have the experience. Only thing I want from them is they're starting a company and they want to go for ortho, that is bones products, which I'm talking about, ortho and what they were saying. I'm sorry, I forgot. I'll mention it. So mainly for bones, yeah, and probiotics, So I just want one thing from them. If they take, and even if I do not take, no, I'm not taking this as something negative. I'll learn from it. Maybe I made some mistake, guys. I was in a startup company. My learning won't be limited. I mean, I want to do this, even though I won't be paid that much, but I want to do this, guys. The product should be genuine. I just said, because I don't want to sell something which won't be good for a patient. I'm just not like, you want to earn money and you're giving something which won't be good for them. So I just said them that the product should be genuine, even if they have to put some extra rupees into it, do that, because the company won't be able to grow if you sell something which is not good for them, like patients. If you don't do anything good, because I don't want to sell something which is not good for a person. I know that this is not good, but I want to earn money. I'm selling that. So I just said that I try to be. I'll make another video in which I'll introduce myself, what my qualifications are, and I'll try to help you guys also who want to go for this thing. Like I'll tell you guys for what in my next video, and what is the scope of this thing, because I'm the person who can tell when I get into something. I'm the person who can tell, and there's so many people who are like me, freshers and trying to get a job, and maybe they're not getting job, and even if they're getting the job, they're not being paid that much. So I want to help, guys. I'm here to help. I'll make a video on that, guys, for sure, like what companies to apply for and how to do that also. I'll make a video for that. Plus I'll also tell you guys whether to go for a startup or an established company. Okay, guys, so I'll just tell you guys and you guys can decide then, because nothing is bad, guys. It's a conscious decision, and it is up to you what you want to get. I'll let you guys know in my next video. So stay tuned, guys, and subscribe to my channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep posting more. Bye, guys.